So I hope that the starting pages are simple. You guys can solve them. But still, if anyone has difficulty, we can discuss it. If we have time at the end of the class, we will discuss it. Otherwise, you can send me on WhatsApp. Okay, I will try to give the answer. Yes, what you were saying.
Mr. I sent page 5. You didn't put it in the page.
You send me page 5 also?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Let me bring it. Page. Oh, yes. Page 5 is there. Blank page 5. Yes, this one. Okay. So this page number 5. Let's see question number 9. Daniel uses 3/5 of a bag of animal feed each week. How many weeks will 12 bags of animal feed last? Okay, let me make some diagrams so you guys will understand what is the concept here. If you guys know already, very good, but everyone please listen. Okay, the question is saying that there are totally 12 bags, like 12 bags filled with animal food. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 bags of animal food. Now one time when this guy is giving food, is he giving complete one bag to the animals? No, he's giving slightly less. He's giving only 3/5 portion. 3/5 portion he is giving only. 3/5 portion. Now they are asking in 1 week he is giving 3/5. So how many weeks will be required to give all the 12 bags of food? So
4.
So no, not 4. Not 4. See, in 1 week, how many he is giving?
3/5.
3.
Okay, let me ask you simple way. If he is giving 1 in each week, the next week 1, next week 1, how many weeks he will take to finish 12 bags?
12 weeks.
12. Okay, good. 12 weeks if 1 bag is given. If half bag is given, only 50%, how many weeks are required?
24.
24.
Yeah, 24.
Yes, because every week half bag, then next week half, then next half. How many? 24 weeks. Okay. Yani basically what you are doing, you are dividing. Yani you have 12 weeks divided by number of bags. 12/12, 1 week. Okay. Now in this question, we don't have half, we don't have 1, we have 3/5. So what we will do? We will write number of weeks required is equal to 12 divided by what?
3/5.
3/5.
3/5. Yes, because 3/5 bag is used. Now, when you have division and when you have fraction, Badr, what happens? How do we solve this type of issue?
We will do it multiply.
Okay.
And we will make 5/3.
Very good.
Yeah, flip.
Okay. We'll make 5/3. Now, can we simplify this portion?
Yeah, Mr. 12 will be 4 and 3 will be 1.
4, yeah.
Amazing, amazing. So 12 will be 4. We will use which table? Table of 3.
3.
Yeah.
Yes. So in the table of 3, 3 comes at 1 position, 12 comes at 4 position. So what is the answer?
5, 20.
20 weeks.
It will be 20 weeks.
20.
20 weeks. Okay. This is the answer. Note it down.
20 weeks.
Note it down. If you have confusion, tell me. This is simple. Yani number of bags divided by bag consumed in each week. So yes. Once you are done, tell me.
Mr.
But Mr. I have a confused in problem solving when I do multiply and when I do divide, when I do subtract, when I do.
I will tell you. Yes, I will tell you. I will tell you. How his question is very good. Everyone, please pay attention. Riyadh is asking in the exam how we will identify we have to add or subtract or multiply or divide. Okay, this is his question. Now, in addition and subtraction, you can easily identify when they ask total. Okay, for example, they tell you that Riyadh has uh, 2 bags with himself. His friend has 5 bags in his house. Other guy has 3 bags in his house. So how
What the
many
total?
total bags are there? So in this question, it's very easy. What we will do, addition or subtraction or
Addition.
multiplication? Addition. Okay, we will add all the three, we'll get the answer. Now, if someone tells you that you have a total of something and you remove some portion, that will be subtraction. For example, you have 5 kg of rice and you take out 200 grams out of it. So how much is remaining?
4.8.
4 point?
8.
4.8 kg. Very good.
Yeah.
So here we will do subtraction. Okay. Now, multiplication and division, how do you decide? I will tell you.
Mister,
Take
can
the
you hear me?
example of, yes, I can hear you. Now you are speaking.
Yeah, because the mic wasn't working.
Okay. Now but I think you are listening from the starting what I'm explaining.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm telling, now Riyadh, listen, take the example of a pen. If I tell you one pen is 5 riyal, okay, what is the cost of 15 pen? In this case, what do you think? It will be
15
addition,
multiply
subtraction,
5.
multiplication, or division?
Multiplication, because he said
Multiplication, yes.
1 pen.
Very good, multiplication. Now, if I ask you the reverse thing, okay, if I tell you 12 bags,
Yeah.
the cost is 2400 riyal. 12 bags. What is the cost of each bag? In this case, what do you think we will do?
Division.
Division. Okay. Now come back to this question. They gave you 1 bag or they give you multiple bags?
Multiple bags.
They give you multiple bags. And each week they are giving 3/5. And what are they asking? Number of weeks.
Okay.
Okay. So in this scenario, when you have so many bags, you have to find out how many weeks will be required. In this scenario, you will divide, not multiply, not add or subtract. Okay. Can I continue now? Next
Yeah.
question. Okay. Now let's pay attention and think for question number 10. Jan has this much seed. Jack has this much kilogram more than Jan. How many kilogram of seed do they have together, all together?
We
Pay
will do
attention.
addition here, sir. Mister.
Mister, can I answer?
This is a tricky question. Everyone, please
I know,
be.
Mr.
Wait, Ahmad. Let me give some time for everyone to read it. Okay, everyone. I'm giving you 1 minute to read this question, and then I will ask some questions.
Mister, I got the answer.
Me too,
You
Mister.
got the answer?
I got the answer.
Okay. 15 seconds remaining. Okay. Now I'll ask you. Adnan, did you got the answer?
No, I'm solving.
Okay. Ahmed, you were saying something before the timer started. Yes, what you were saying?
Yes. Jack, it says has 3 over 5 kg more. That means we'll add Jan by 1 3 over 5 kg, and that's how much Jack has. Then they add the Jan and then the
Yes,
Jack.
yeah. You got the trick. You got the trick. Okay. Now let me clarify, students. Jan has how many? I don't know who put their name as Jan and Feb and March. I don't know. 3 1 over 2 kg. Okay. This is the weight of seeds with Jan. Now Jack has how much? Jack does not have 1 3 over 5. He has 1 3 over 5 more than Jan. Yani Jack has how
Mr.
much? Jack has
3 and 1 over 2 plus 1 and 3 over
1.
5.
Yes,
Wow.
Riyad, are you
So
getting?
before, yeah,
Riyad, are you getting? So Jack is this much, Jan is this much. What are they asking in the question finally? How many kilogram of seed they have all together, yani majmu. Total, how much they have? Okay, so simple. Total, how? Let me minimize this. Let me reduce the size. Okay, so the total will be how much? Total will
Jack will
be.
have 51 over 10.
We can add them in one line, no problem. Total will be 3 1 over 2 plus 3 1
Mr.
over 2
Plus,
Mr. We can
plus
plus
1 3
and
over 5.
1 3 over 5, yeah.
Mr. We can convert it to fraction.
Yes, you have to convert it to improper fraction. They are already fraction. You have to convert to improper fraction now. Tell me. So what will be the improper fractions? Who will tell me? One by one.
Memes.
Okay, tell me one.
3 multiply 2 equals 6 plus 7 equals 7. 7 over 2.
The next is also same.
7 over 2.
Can I
Yusuf,
Then-
what about the last one?
8 over 5.
Yeah,
8 over 5. Now, are the denominators same, Ahmed?
The
No.
denominators are not the same.
So if the denominators are not same, we have to make them same. What we can do?
Multiplying 2 multiply
2
by 5
We
for the
have
twos.
2 and 5. Yes, so we can do this by 5.
and this
Yes.
This by 5
And
and 5 by
the
5 by
other by
what?
2.
by 2.
Is everyone getting? Why are we doing this? To get 10 here, 10 here, and 10 here.
And 10 here.
Yeah.
That is our target. So finally, what we will get? We will get 35 over 10
35 over 10 and 35
plus
over 10.
again
35 over 10 plus
35 over
16
10.
over 10.
plus 16 over 10,
16
and
over
finally our answer will be
86 over
35,
10.
70, 80, 86 over 10,
Yeah.
which can be simplified also
Yeah, to be
by the table of
43 over 5.
43 over 5. Very good. So the final answer is 43 over 5. And if I ask you in mixed,
5 and 3 over
what
5.
will be
5
the
and 3 over
answer?
5.
8 and
5
3
and 3
over
over
5.
5. No.
Wow, Yusuf, did
No,
you
no,
complete
it's-
it already? He
no,
said
it's
5
not-
3
it's
over
not-
5, but this is wrong.
It's 8,
No, sir.
8 and 3 over
8,
5.
8 3 over. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes. Who does not know how to convert improper to mixed? Who don't know? Just do the long division.
Yeah,
Okay.
43.
Just do the long division, and remainder always comes on top. And quotient comes in the starting. Simple.
And the denominator will be like.
The denominator will be the same denominator as here.
But Mr. I got 8 and 12 over 20.
Okay, 12 over 20 can be simplified by the table of 4.
Yes.
Okay, so eventually you will get the same answer. 8 3 over 5 kg. Everyone, please pay attention. This is the answer in mixed. Yes, this is the answer in mixed. This answer. Okay, both answers are acceptable. If you write 4 3 over 5, 43 over 5, if you write 8 3 over 5, both the answers are same. Okay, write it down. So I'll go to the next question directly. 11. And mention kg also. Do not forget the unit. It is very, very important. Is everyone writing or just watching?
Mr. If in the exam, the Mr. told us like to write the answer in the mixed or no in proper fraction. And we wrote the like a normal fraction. He will give us like marks.
I cannot answer on his behalf, but my strategy will be, or my technique will be, if you give the answer to me in improper or in mixed, I have no problem. This is my opinion. I don't know how he will calculate, because more or less these are same thing, yani. This and this are same in values, but only by appearance they are looking different. Okay, but in the eyes of mathematics, both are having same values. Okay, now next one. Ready, everyone? Quickly.
Yes.
Sandra spent 2 over 3 of her pocket money on sweets and this much on comic. What fraction of her pocket money did she have left?
Mr. You will do subtraction.
Okay, who can explain this question to me? This is an interesting question. Or should I explain?
No,
Can
no,
I
explain.
Mister, I have the
Mister?
answer, but I'm not sure.
Ahmad, yes, Ahmad Fuad, detective.
Okay,
Go on.
okay. Now we will add both of the fractions together, and then the remaining that's not in the full fraction is going to be the answer, like how many she has left.
No, how will you find the remaining? If you just add them, how will you find the remaining? Tell me.
No, like for example, if it's 2 over 5, there's 3 left from it being the whole number. That's how many.
Now, okay, tell me something. You are telling me 2 over 3 we have and 1 over 7 we have. Yes, we add them.
Yeah. So they have both the same denominator, because with different we cannot see how many she has left.
Okay, I am telling you the answer. It will be 3,
Yeah.
17 over 21. Yes, Ahmad Fuad, go ahead.
Okay.
How
Yes.
much she have left?
21 minus 17 equals 4. So 4 over 21, she
Yes.
has yes.
Okay.
That's how many she has
But
left.
you are missing something. Some simple thing. Okay, now everyone, listen. If you have 100 rupees, real, okay, and you spend something like 25 on one thing and 35, like 25 on food and 35 on books. Okay, so what is remaining? How we do that? First we add them and then subtract from the total. This is the
100
logic,
minus
right?
60 will be 40.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Equal 40.
Okay, so the same logic I will apply in this question. They are telling me 2 over 3 portion is spent on something and 1 over 7 is spent on something. Okay, and it is asked how much fraction is remaining. What we will do? We will add them and then subtract from 1. Why 1? Because 1 is basically the complete fraction, complete fraction. Like this is pie chart, for example. Okay, so 2/3 spent in this activity, masalan, and 1/7 spent in this activity. Now, how will you find this? Okay, it will be 1 minus the summation of this guy and this guy. Are you guys understanding the concept? I will solve it now, but are you getting the concept?
Like
Yes.
Mr. It has to be
Same like last question. 100 minus 25 plus 35 real. It always has to be 1. In fractions, it always has to be 1 if you are finding the total pocket money or total task, something like that. Yes, Riyad.
And why you choose number 1? I didn't understand why you choose.
Okay. It has to be 1. That's what I'm saying.
The low.
You have to remember. Hello, who's there?
No, the low. The low. LAW.
Okay, so why this circle is so round? I didn't even use the enhanced image. My hand is improving, I think. See, look at my circles, they are improving. Okay, so what I was telling, this was 2/3. Okay, on sweets. This one 1/7 was on comics. Now this one is remaining, correct?
Yeah.
So in these type of questions, always remember you have to subtract from 1, because 1 is what? The complete fraction.
Yeah.
Okay, for example, you have 2/3 task done. How much task is remaining? Tell me.
1.
2/3 task is done. How much is remaining?
1/3.
1/3. Is everyone getting? If 2/3 is done, how much is remaining? 1 minus 2/3. You will get
1/3.
1/3.
Like, Mr.
Okay.
We have to use number 1 because it's the first number that is bigger than the fractions, right?
No fraction. It's like, for example, if you get 20 out of 20 in your marks in your exam, it's like what? You are getting one complete fraction. Yani you got the full marks. But if you got, for example, 15 out of 20 in your exam, did you get one full marks, 100% marks? No. You got like 3/4, 3/4, yani 75% marks in your exam. Okay, 3/4. Okay, so always in these type of question, you have to subtract from what? 1. 1 is the complete fraction. Okay, now, so you will write here total spending. Total spendings are how much? 2/3.
2/3 plus
what?
1/7.
1/7. These are the total
21.
spending. Yes. Now, so I hope you guys can solve this type of simple question.
Equal then
21.
17/21.
14/21 plus 3
Plus
over
3/21
which will
equals
give you
17/21.
17/21. Okay, now 17/21 is the spending. I am concerned with remaining. So remaining will be what? 1 minus what?
17/21.
17/21. And how do we subtract this type of thing? Because 1 is not a fraction, we can bring 1/1.
Yeah, 1/1.
Yeah.
Okay, as everyone is Adnan, are you getting this point? 1/1, Badr. And
It will
now
be
what we
minus
can do?
16.
Multiply by 21 here, multiply by 21 here. Finally, what we will get? We will get
21/21.
21/21 minus 7/21. 17/21. So finally,
we got 1/1.
did you understand how we got 1 in the starting? How did I get 1? Did you understand this logic?
Because it's the whole number.
No. See, whenever these type of question comes, that out of total money, this much was gone in this task, this money was gone in this task, tell us remaining. Okay, in these type of things, you have to subtract from 1 minus whatever are the fractions. Okay, Adnan, you will add all the fractions, but subtract from what? From 1 always. But if the amount is given, for example, they tell you 100 riyal I had, 25 I spent on something, 35 I spent on something. In this case, you will not subtract from 1. You will subtract from 100, because 100 is the total. But in those questions where the money is not given or the grams is not given, no unit is given, what you will do? Subtract by
1.
1. Okay, this is the thing you have to remember. If the units are given, subtract from the total unit. But if no unit is given, subtract from 1. That's the thing.
Like Mr.
Okay.
Sometimes they bring questions like Muhammad have 100 riyal and he spent like this and then he spent like this. How much the money left from the money left?
Yes. So in that case, yes, you can take the total and then subtract. Now, this question is very similar. A tin of paint has a mass of 3/4 kg. What is the mass of 8 tins? Now, are they asking you for one tin or they give you 8
No.
tin and they are
8.
asking?
8.
8.
They are asking you for 8, but they gave you for 1.
Yeah.
Yani they give you for 1 and they are asking you for many. So in this type of scenario, we will do multiplication or division?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
Multiplication, because they give you 1 and they ask you for 8.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's.
3/4 multiply 8.
What will be the statement? Tell me, what will be the statement?
8 multiplied 3/4.
This is the
Or 8/1.
calculation. What I will write in English here? Tell me.
Mass of 8 tens equal.
Mass of 3/4 of
Yes.
the plant.
Mass of 8 tens equal.
You can use the English from the question itself. Okay. Mass
Wow.
of
8
Mass of 8 tens.
8 tins will be equal to 8 multiplied by 3/4, or 3/4 multiplied by 8 is the same thing. Now what do you see here?
It will
from
be
the
2
from the
and
same
1.
table.
It will be 2 and 4 will be 1.
You can
Then it
do
will
20,
be
you can do 24/4 also, but I suggest you please do the simplification first and then
it
go
will be
for the
6 over
answer.
1.
This method is
It will be
not
6.
wrong. Okay, this method is not wrong, but yani, I don't want to make your habit like this, because for bigger numbers it will be very problematic for you guys. Okay, so I will not suggest this for this method. I will suggest you this. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So what is the final answer?
6/1 or 6?
2 multiply 3, 6.
Yani 6. 6 what? Shawarma?
No, 6
Kilogram.
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 6 kilogram. Yes. 6 kilogram.
But Mr. This way of simplification only works with multiplication, right?
See, what is simplification? Simplification means a numerator and the denominator can be cancelled by a common number. This is simplification. That's all. Now, 8 is what here? Numerator or denominator?
None.
Hmm?
None of them.
No, it is. It is.
Numerator.
Can I make it 8 over 1?
Yeah.
Numerator.
It is numerator. Okay. What about 4?
Denominator.
That's why I cancelled them. I cannot cancel 8 and 3.
Yeah.
Because 8 and 3 are numerator. Okay. So numerator cannot be simplified with numerator. Numerator can be simplified with denominator and denominator with numerator.
But
That's
Mr.
why
No,
I did this.
if it was like 8 minus 3/4, can we do the same
8
way of
minus 3
simplification?
over 4?
Yeah.
Or you mean this?
No, the same as this question, yeah. Like
This?
the second, yes.
No, in here you cannot do simplification. No, that will be wrong.
We will
You cannot
make
do
8
simplification.
over 1 and then multiply.
Yes. You can. You have to do like this. Simplification can only work, yes, when you have multiplication sign in between. Only in that case. Only.
Okay.
Okay. Finished?
Okay. Yes.
Quickly. We have to run.
But Mister, if you get the answer of the subtraction and it can be simplified.
It can be simplified once you are left with a single number here and a single number here. Then you can simplify, no problem.
Okay.
But if you have minus and you have another number, you cannot simplify this and this guy. That will be wrong.
Okay.
Okay. For example, after subtraction. Okay. After subtraction, maybe you got this. After subtraction, everything. Now this can be simplified. No problem. Okay. This can be simplified. But when minus sign is before that, and you have a number here, for example, 10. Can I simplify 10 and 20? No, that will be wrong. I cannot do this and 2, 8. Khalas, 8 is the answer. No, this will be blunder. Okay, you cannot do like this. Clear? Okay. Oh, number machine.
Yeah, this is the easiest, I think, in this worksheet.
We have Z letter here, and we have, what is this? Division by 3 or
Yeah.
plus 3? What is this?
Division.
Not,
Division.
not clear. Division. Okay. For each machine, write down the result for the given starting number. Then for each machine, find what starting number will give 6 as the result. Okay, yani you have to do two things here. You
6
have to
minus
tell me,
5.
you have to tell me the expression. This is the first task. And you have to give me the input when output is 6.
Mm.
When output is 6, what is input? Okay, so you have to give me two things. I will put it above because these two questions are valid for part A and part B, both. So tell me, for part 1, what will be the expression? What will come here? What will come here? Tell me, what will come here in the first box?
1.
No? How 1? You have Z and divide by 3. So you will have Z divided by 3. This will come here. Okay, then minus 5. So you will have Z over 3 minus 5. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Then what's the final answer?
Again. Z divided by 3, Z over 3.
6 over 3.
Minus 5, just bring minus 5 before that. So the first answer is Z over 3 minus
5.
5. This is the first
Where's
answer.
the output, mister? The output is 6 or 6.
The output is 6.
You have to tell me two answers. Focus on the first part now.
Okay.
Did you give me the expression? Yes,
Yeah.
this is the expression. Now move on to the next part. In the next part, forget this. Okay. If 6 was the output, now let's do the reverse calculation. What will come here?
Multiplication.
1.
Minus 5 will become plus 5.
Plus 5.
Oh.
What 1?
11.
What 1? You forgot. It's reverse.
11.
Forgot. Yes.
So
yes,
6
yes,
plus 5 is 11.
11.
11.
Yes. What is yes? Then
Okay.
division by 3 will become what?
3.1.
Multiplication by 3.
Yeah.
Oh.
33.
What 3.1? What is this 3.1? Muhammad Amir, please restart.
Mister, I was
Restart your
thinking
system.
like him.
Restart your system, please. There are some updates for you to install. So what will be the final answer? 11
33.
multiplied by 3 will give you what?
33.
33. Yeah. So output is 6 and
input is
will
33.
be 33. Okay,
Mr.
please note down.
Before the question, I said this is the easiest question in the worksheet.
And what are you doing in this question? If this is the easiest, then may Allah protect us from the toughest. Okay. Oh, the next one is square root.
It's easy, mister.
Wow.
It's 5.
I think the answer is 3.1, mister.
25. If you do 25 square root, what will you get here?
5.
5.
You should get both answers, but I don't know if the teacher only told you the positive. Let's take only positive. Okay, 5 is coming here. Then 5 plus 2 is?
7.
7.
So in this question, there is no expression. You know why?
Because there is no
variable here. There is no variable here. That's why.
5.
Because in the first question, there was a variable. That's why you got expression. But when there is no variable, you will not get expression. You will get the answer directly, output.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me write it in an easier way. If 25 is the input, if input is 25, what will be the output? What did we get here?
7.
7. Okay. Now let's answer the second part. Let's do the reverse thing. If we have to start from 6, okay? Yani if 6 is the output, if output is 6, now it is our task to find the input. Now let's do the reverse calculation. This is plus 2.
4.
It will
Minus
be what? Minus 2. Very good.
4.
Badar, are you getting? Badar, tell me.
Yes, mister.
Yes, what will come in this box? What will come?
4.
Okay. And tell me in the next box what will come in this box?
Okay.
What is the opposite of square root?
1.
No, what is the opposite of square root?
Circle root.
Circle root. Who knows? Who knows what is the opposite of square root?
Mr.
3.
Ismail.
-3.
Ismail.
-3.
No. Ismail, tell me what is the opposite of square root?
multiply ممكن.
Multiply root? No. Who knows? Okay, this is an
Mr.
open question
Cube
to
root?
anyone.
Cube root?
Huh?
Four
No, only square.
square,
Square is
Mr.
the
Four
answer.
square, four square.
See, this is square root. What is the opposite? Square.
Four
Okay.
square.
So what is the square of 4? What is the
16.
square of 4?
16.
Khalas. This is the answer. Badr, did you get it? 4 square means what?
Yeah.
4 times 4. 16. Okay. Did you get it?
Yes.
But Mister, if it was a cube root, we have to write cube.
Cube. Yes. The opposite of cube root is cube. Okay.
Okay.
So please note it down. These are the answers.
I know.
First part,
I know.
second. Did you write it?
Yeah.
Okay. Please note it down, everyone. Are you noting in your worksheet or you are noting in your notebooks or just watching?
Worksheet.
Okay. Next question. Write the formula for the area A of this rectangle. If the area of this rectangle is 63, work out X. Okay. Now, again, they are asking two things. The first thing is they are asking formula. What is formula? Equation.
F equal.
Now, in this
F
rectangle, what kind of rectangle? It's horrible. Okay. Now in this rectangle, 7 is here and 2x minus 3 is here. And the area is represented by capital A. Now, how do you find area of a rectangle? What is the formula?
7 multiplied by x minus 3.
Yani length times what?
Length
Width.
times
Width.
Width. So what will be the formula? Tell me what will be the equation for area?
A equals B.
Capital A.
W.
Capital A equals
Equals
7
L multiplied
times.
W. Or 7
times
multiplied
yes.
2x minus 3.
2x minus 3.
2x minus
Okay, very good. This is the first answer. Very good. This is done. You so good. Now, second answer. If the area of this rectangle is 63, work out X. Now, in this formula, value of A is already given to me now, 63. Yes. Now I will substitute 63 here and everything will be same. So 63 is equal to 7 times 2x minus 3. Did you get it? I just replaced this guy.
Yeah.
And everything is same. Now, no. I have to find the value of X now. So 7 and this bracket, they are in a relation of multiplication.
Yeah.
I will bring 7 down. Okay. What I will do?
Divide 7.
63 over 7 is 2x minus 3. 63 over 7 will give you how much?
9.
9. Yani 9 is equal to 2x minus 3.
2x minus 3.
Now we don't
Then
need this minus 3 guy.
Yes.
So it will be
Why?
plus 3
Because
plus
this is a weak relation. Because this is a
weak relation.
weak relation.
weak
Because
relation.
multiplication is stronger than subtraction.
Yes. So what will be the next line? Minus 3 will happen
plus-
what?
And 9 plus 3
plus
equals 2x.
Very good.
2x.
Yeah.
Very good. So 9 plus 3 will be
And
only
9 plus
2x
3
remaining.
equal
2x plus
Yeah.
Yani 12 is 2x. So x will be how much?
2x. 6.
6.
6.
6. Khalas, question finished.
Yeah.
Now note down. I will repeat it one more time because I want to make sure that you guys are understanding. Now tell me, if you have understood this question and if you have noted down, tell me. Once you note it down, tell me. I will ask you guys a similar thing, and I will check who can answer. Yes, written.
Yes.
Yeah, Mr.
Now, do you have a blank page on the last page of worksheet? You have some space?
Yeah, because there is student that is writing on the notebook, and there is student that is writing on the worksheet, and there is a blank page.
There is a little space remaining. Okay.
Yes.
Now, instead of 63, okay, the question gave you 63.
Okay.
If instead of 63, I am giving you another area, okay, what I am giving you, I am giving you
56.
wait, 156. Wait. 105. Okay. If I give you 105 is the area. Find the value of x for me. Find x in the same question. Okay.
Like right now, Mister.
No. Yes, I want to see.
I got the answer, Mr.
How much?
X equals 9.
Wow, this guy is very, very smart. Ahmad Fuad, take care. MashaAllah, tabarakallah.
Oh yes,
Exactly, his
because Mr.
answer is correct. His answer is correct. Is he
Yeah,
fast in
18
the
divided
class
by 2.
also?
Yes, he is the fastest in running and writing and
But
Oh,
his
and answering.
handwriting is so good.
wow. What are you saying, Riyad?
His handwriting is
Yes,
so
it's
good.
6.
His writing is also good?
Handwriting.
No, his
my
hand
handwriting
is the worst in the class because he writes so fast.
But is it readable by human or not readable
No,
by human? Only aliens
For
can read
aliens.
it.
Only
not
by me,
even
Mr.
aliens, Mr.
I'm the only one.
So who can read Yusuf now? Read writing now? He's an alien. Riyad, can you read his writing? You
Mr.
are
Sometimes
alien.
he doesn't. Mr. Sometimes he can't read his writing.
Wow.
Yeah,
No.
Wow.
Mister.
This is something
Sometimes
weird.
It's
I
worse
ask the
than
misters
doctor's
like,
writing because it's very complicated, mister.
So their doctors will be feeling happy that at least someone has poor writing than us. Huh?
So someone's writing worse
anyways,
than
his answer
their
is
handwriting.
correct. And how do we get 9? Should I solve it or you guys can solve it now for yourself?
Yeah, Mr. I can.
It's easy, Mr.
You can?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I will proceed to the next question. Good. Question number 14 gone. 15. Now 15, so many questions are very similar. I will not do all the parts. We have very less time. I will do only maybe this one.
G,
D
Mr. G.
and G.
G. Yeah.
Because others are, can you tell me this mental maths? X over 12 is 4.
3. X equals 3.
yeah, 3.
No.
Huh?
You have to remove divide by 12. How can you remove divide by 12? Multiply by 12
Yeah,
and
multiply.
multiply by 12. So this is gone. 12 4,
It will be
48 is the
36.
answer.
40.
Hey,
48
36.
for
48 is the 48 is the answer. Not 36. You guys make simple things complicated for yourself. You understood? Times 12
Yeah.
times 12. So 12 gone. 48 is the answer. Okay, Yusuf?
Yes.
Okay, I'm not doing it. What about this one? This 11, we need to throw it on the other side.
Yeah.
Minus
It's a
Y,
y,
y over
minus
7 plus
7.
11 minus 11 equals
Yeah.
22 minus 11.
So y over
So
7
y
will
equals
be equal to
77.
what?
equal
11.
to
It will be 11.
Yeah,
Multiply
equal to
7.
11.
Multiply
Yes,
7.
and
Y
then
equals 77.
how can you remove 7 times 7? Ah, now he's
Okay.
giving
Yeah.
the correct
77.
answer. So why?
Okay.
So these are
Y
young
equals
baby
77.
questions. Okay. Yes, I'm not going to do these questions now. I will do D part and
G.
last one. Okay, G. Yes,
G.
Jordan. G. Yes. So I will do the T part. Okay, 7x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 42. I want to remind you that if you have equal sign on the left side, please try to collect all the variables, and on the right side, try to collect the constants. Now, which thing is in the incorrect place?
2x.
2x in the incorrect place. Very good. And what else?
Yeah.
Minus 3.
2x and minus
3.
3.
Minus 3. Very good. So these guys are sitting in a wrong place. But 7x is good and 42 is good. So we will not disturb them. So Badar, tell me, which term we will shift first out of minus 3 and 2x? Which one you want to shift first?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. So where it will go? It will go to the right side of equal sign. Okay. Yes, Adam. Adnan, tell me.
We will put in the another side plus 3.
And what about here?
Also here, because we want to cancel.
But you guys can solve it. So now I'm not going to do the same thing to keep the balance and all the drama. I will just write 7x is equal to 2x plus 42 plus 3.
Plus 3
plus
equal
3, yeah.
7x
Okay.
equal
Why
to
plus 3? Because
45.
this guy is coming from here to here. Jamal, what I'm saying, Jamal. Badar, are you getting it?
Yes.
Now
we will make.
Now, is there anything like terms?
And
Yes. What kind of yes is this? Yes.
no, I'm thinking.
MashaAllah.
Thinking with
Microwave.
yes.
Microwave, Mr. Microwave.
Okay. So 42 plus 3 will give me
45.
okay. 45. So 7x is
We will
equal to
make for
2x
both
plus
sides minus 2x.
yes. Or basically we will shift it there.
Yeah.
Okay. So
On the left.
7x
7x minus
2x
2x
Minus
plus
give me what?
42.
Equal
yeah.
equal
45.
45.
Equal 45. 5x equals 45 now.
Now 5x equal 45. So
So x equals 9.
divide,
X equal 9.
divide
we
by
want to
5.
remove
X equal
5, so
9.
we will divide both
X
sides.
equal 9. X equal
It
9.
will be 9.
X will be 9. Okay. Simple question, but very long.
Yes.
You can write this also if you want to remember that variable put on the left side and constants put on the right side. If the variable goes to the right side, will it be incorrect? Question?
No, it will be correct, but
No,
it's better to
it will
put
not be
them-
correct, but it's like easier for us to understand. Okay, it will not be wrong. If you write variable here and constant here, will it be wrong? No,
No.
it will not be wrong.
no.
It will still be correct, but yani, just to make our things yani, simplified and systematic, I just do this.
Okay.
Okay, it will not be wrong. Don't tell me that Mr. Faz was saying in the optional class that variable is on the left and constant on the right, and he's saying this is
No,
wrong.
Mr.
No, don't give me,
The Mr.
don't
in the school
blame me
say both the
later.
same.
Hmm?
The Mr. in the school say the same. Make the
He also
variable
says the
bigger.
same thing. Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, once you are done, now let's go to the G. Junub. Let's go to the Junub with the G. Oh, this question is so big.
Yeah, Mr. I took half of the paper.
This
There is a lot
bracket
of
and then
constants.
this term, many terms are there, and then this term is there. But it is still, yani, I will give you some time, 2 minutes.
We'll take a
Mr.
lot
In
of
this
time to
question,
get.
in these questions, we have to make the order of operations, right?
Yes, yes. First multiply 6 here and
Yeah.
6 here and 2 here and 2 here, and then follow the BODMAS and then try to simplify the value of x.
كثير
Let me
سهل
increase
يا
my.
مستر.
I'm waiting for your answer.
I took 30 seconds to only write the question.
Thirty-five seconds.
It's so good.
No one?
I think it's -2. I don't know.
Mr.
Mr.
I get the last
I'm confused.
يعني formula.
I'm confused, Mr.
Okay, let's deal. You saw
I-
what you were saying?
I get like the last formula or like the last way to solve it, but not the answer yet.
So
I
you
got
know
Mr. the
how
final.
to proceed? You know how to proceed, or you are stuck now?
I know how to proceed in certain places, but like 12x minus 1 minus 5x, it's...
Let's now see how do you get the answer. Now, if you have a number before bracket like 6 or 8 or 12,
Multiply
you have to
them.
multiply by each of the
Yeah.
terms
Multiply.
inside. This is the thing you have to remember. This is known as distributive law or distributive property.
Yeah.
Okay, distributive law or distributive property.
Property.
Now
property.
let's use distributive property. We will get 6 times 2x will give you
12x
12x
12x minus 6.
minus 6 and minus
Minus
5x as it is
Yeah.
equal to what will come now?
10x.
10x
2 multiplied by 5x will
10
give
10x minus 11.
-8 -7.
minus
equals
8
-7.
minus
8
7.
times,
Very good. Now, are there like terms here and are there like terms here?
No.
There are. There are. You guys are not paying attention. These are like.
Oh yes.
12 and 5x and
And
also
here
minus
these
8
are
and minus
like.
7. Yeah.
But 10x in the wrong place, Mister.
Forget it. Let's focus on the like term and the unlike term. That you can
12x
deal
and
later.
10x.
So what we will left with here? Tell me.
12x
12x minus 5x is how much?
minus
7x.
Okay. So what are we left with here?
7x minus 6
7x
equals
minus 6 on the left side. Very good. And what will come on the right side?
Equal 10x minus 1.
equal 10x minus 15.
Minus 15, not 1.
Oh
Plus
yeah.
and
15, yeah.
plus.
Go home and cry.
Chapter 1.
Okay. Now I'm not solving until the last. Now from here, I want you guys to solve because this question now became very similar to D part. One variable, number, variable, number. Same logic is here. Variable, number, variable, number. Yes?
Yeah.
Now it became very similar to the D part. Now quickly solve it. Now very easy. If you cannot solve it from here, I think you need to go back to question D and revise it. Then come back here. If you are unable to solve this. 1 more minute I am giving you for this one. Quickly. This is very, very easy now.
I got the answer, Mister.
How much?
17. Oh no, I forgot something.
What?
I forgot to do the last thing.
Even your communication is becoming like doctors.
Yeah.
Ununderstandable. 2x speed.
Mr. Every time he stutters, plus 0.1 plus 0.1 speed. He stuttered too much. Now it's 2 times.
Oh,
speed.
Mr. I found it, Mr.
So what is the final answer? Should I solve it now from here?
Yeah. Can I say it?
What about others? What about others? Yes, Ismail. Adam. Adam is not there. Adnan, you, Ismail, Badr. Who wants to give me the answer? No one.
Mr. I got formula.
Why it's becoming that difficult? This question is why is it becoming that difficult? 10x can be brought on the left side and minus 6 can be brought on the right side. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
7x minus 6 plus 6 equal 10x minus 15 plus 6.
So finally what we will get? We will get 7x alone here.
7x equal 10 minus 9.
Minus 15 plus 6.
X minus 9, yeah.
So
Equal 9.
7x is equal to 10x
Minus
X
9.
minus 9.
minus 9. Okay. Now
Yeah.
10x will go where?
To the
To
left
the
side.
other
left
side.
side.
What will I write here?
It will be 17x.
10x minus no.
17x.
No. 7x is already in its place. 10
Yeah.
will become minus 10 is equal to minus 9.
Then equal
Minus
minus 3x.
minus 3x
Minus
equal
3x equal
Minus
9.
3x
9.
equal minus 9. So when
Equal 3.
x will
Equal
be
minus 3.
minus
Equal
9
minus
over
3.
minus 3. Minus 9 over minus 3. Minus minus
Oh,
will cancel each other.
3.
Yes.
X equal 3. Mister, I got the answer like this, but I was not sure. I don't know why.
And me.
Now everyone will get the answer. This question was I was expecting you guys. Anyone will be giving me the answer, but no one.
Yusuf give you.
No, recheck the things and tell me which point is not clear for you. This step is not clear or this step is not clear. Tell me because no one gave me the correct answer.
Mister,
I did not
like,
do anything. I did not do anything new here. The same like question D.
yeah. But Mr. I have a confusion in something. Like when we have to get something from the right and take it to the left, and from the left to get to the right.
Just make a simple system that, as I told you, try to bring the variables on the left side, try to bring the constants on the right side. I use the same strategy.
But what
Look
is
at this
easier?
question.
What is easier, the variable or the constant?
Easier,
So,
what
like,
do you mean by easier? I'm
to-
telling you the easier thing. Put the variables on one side, put the constants on one side, and then try to simplify. Or put the variable to the right side and constant here. It's your choice. But I prefer to keep the variables on the left side.
Okay.
Okay. I think of a number R, square it, divide the answer by 7 and add. Well, this guy should sleep now. He's thinking too much. I think of a number R and then square it and then divide by and then add and then put bustle and then put milk. What this guy needs to go sleep. Okay. I think of a number R, square it, divide the answer and then add this, and the answer is M. So the question is not even written here what you have to do, but I know what you have to do. You have to make a formula, but it's not written here. Okay, it should be written here. Write
formula.
Yes, formula.
I think
This should
R to the power of 2.
R. There was a number R. When you square it, it becomes R square, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Divide by 7 means what?
Over 7.
Over 7. Very good.
R squared over
Plus
7
Plus 14.
plus 14 equals M.
Yes.
Equals M.
Equal M. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
No. Is it written properly?
No,
Is
no.
it written
You,
properly? Is it-
you
No,
put
no,
minus 14 on the denominator.
Yeah, Mister.
It have to be in the,
I was testing Yusuf.
No, sir.
See, now this is proper. Okay. Okay. Now this is proper. So it will be R square upon 7. Plus, this is very, very simple. See, just start following their steps. That's all. They said, I think of a number R, you take R. Square it,
Mr.
you
here you
square
can
it.
simplify, صح?
You cannot simplify because you have a plus sign in middle. You cannot simplify 7, 1 and 14, 2. No, that will be wrong. You just leave it as it is. The question is done. That's all. Hala, this is all.
that's it.
Okay.
We don't have to be to get the answer.
You cannot get the answer because there are so many variables. R is their variable, M is their variable. You cannot solve it. You can only solve when there is a single variable like R and R or M and M, X and X, M and M, M and M. Okay, next page. How many pages done till now? Only 3 pages.
Mister, we can make also tomorrow's meeting math.
Maths
No,
or physics?
tomorrow we have an exam. Physics.
Oh yes, physics, because on Sunday we have the exam.
On Sunday you have physics exam?
Yes.
Yeah. There's a simple worksheet,
Wow.
Mr. Not a hard worksheet.
Yeah, the worksheet is so easy, and the Mister only made the copy paste from the book to like pictures from the book and put it in the worksheet.
Yeah, Mister, the pictures only.
Yeah, he got pictures from the book and put it in the.
And like
Okay.
in one question, 20 lines.
Oh.
Like you the one answer for each question, like a half a page.
Okay, let's try to do the maximum here. The sum of 3 consecutive whole number is 54. What is the meaning of this monster?
What's consecutive?
Consecutive. What is translate?
I will go Google Translate.
مسلسل. What?
Serious.
Consecutive means continuous. Musalsal. They are
yes.
coming back to back. Okay. I know the meaning. I was asking you guys. It's not like I don't know the meaning. I know the meaning. Consecutive.
Mister,
okay?
it's in Arabic متتابع or متعاقب. لا متتابع
لا
Mister.
متتابع. بتتابع
ميم
نجيب
تاء
كم كيس.
ميم تاء تاء ألف باء عين.
أعطني
Yes.
إعرابها. وش إعرابها؟
Okay, متتابع. Yes, following each other. Okay, تابع. Okay, the sum of three consecutive whole number. Yani this is a number, this is the next number, and this is the next number. If you add all these three, you are getting 54. 54. Okay. What are the numbers?
20
Now there is a
20
technique.
Mr.
Huh?
20 20 14. 20 20 is 14.
20, 20, and 40. Are they coming continuously?
No,
After
no,
20,
14.
does 20 comes or 21 comes? Then after 20 comes 21 or 40. So there is a technique.
18
There is
plus
a
18
technique.
plus 18.
54 divided 3.
Mister, I wrote 18 plus 18 plus 18.
What? After
Yeah.
18 comes 18?
Yeah, plus 18
No,
equals
I
50.
did not know the meaning of consecutive.
Now I tell you the meaning. Now tell me. There is
Mr.
a
50.
Should I tell you what is the proper way? It's not like you are guessing. There is a way in mathematics to find this type of answer.
Oh,
There is a
Mr.
technique.
It's like Mr.
17,
54 divided
18,
3.
19.
Again, Yusuf is the Ahmad Fuad.
Yeah.
Oh.
17.
Correct
I
Hello,
minus
Mr.
1 from the 18 and
This
added
is the
to
correct
the
answer.
30.
17. After 17 comes what? 18. After 18 comes 19. And if you
19.
add them, you will get 54. Oh. Now, how do we see? Now, but if you want to show the steps, if you will write this in my exam, 17, 18, and 19, and Mr. Faz will give me marks. La, Mr. Faz will give you boys. Egg. I will give you 0. Okay. So how you will solve it, I'm going to demonstrate now. Okay.
Mr. What is the word of like the 3 numbers that are the same? Like 18, 18, 18.
It will be the sum of 3 similar numbers. Similar.
Oh.
Okay. It will be similar, not consecutive. Now, how
I
do we reach these type of questions, these type of trick questions? Okay. Just make a diagram for yourself for understanding. And then what we will do, let's take it x. Then what will be the next number? What comes after x? X plus 1. What will be this number?
X
Plus?
X plus 2.
X plus 2 will be 54.
Yeah.
Do you agree that if this number is 21, how will I find the next number? By adding 1.
Yeah.
So if it is x, what will be the next number? X plus 1.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the technique that you have to remember.
Mr. I get like I made a way for this question in my mind. To get this like
you can make, but I am telling you, see how you have to solve. Okay,
yeah.
you can make. I know you guys can think of different ways that if you divide by 3, you will get 18. Then subtract 1 here and add 1 here.
Yeah,
This might have
same.
come in your head. See,
Yeah.
I know, but how you solve it in the paper? Okay, I am telling you that also. Why am I telling you this? Because if you know this process, you can solve even bigger questions with the same logic. No problem. Okay, so now x, if you add to the next number, you add to the second next number, you should get 54, correct? Now, what are the like terms? What are the like terms on the left side? What are the like terms here?
X and X1 and X2.
X and X. 3x.
Yeah.
3x. What about
3x
the
equal
numbers?
54.
No. What did you forget these numbers? They are crying in a corner or what?
We have
3x plus 3.
Very
3x
good,
plus
Adnan. 3x plus 3 is equal to 54. Now it became a simple equation. How will you solve it now? Tell me.
Yeah, 3x plus 3 minus 3 equal 54. Minus 3 equal 3x equal 51.
3x is equal to 51. And x will be?
X will be
51 divided by 3.
3.
Will give you what? Solve it. 51 divided by 3. And no one is allowed calculator in my period, okay? So please solve it yourself.
17.
17,
17.
17.
Very good, very good.
Oh.
Now, if 3x is 51, x
X
will
equals
be
17.
17.
51 divided by 3, x is 17.
17.
Now you only found out this guy.
One.
Because
Yeah.
x was what? 17. This is 17. What is x plus 1? 17
18.
plus 1. 18.
Yeah, 17
What
plus
is x
1,
plus
then
2?
19. 19.
17
Okay.
plus 2
This
will
is
be
the
19.
technique. So the
Yeah,
first
that's
number will be
Mr. These
17.
questions, like it's you are what? You are having fun making it or answering it.
Yes, yes, these are like logical and reasoning type of questions.
Yeah, puzzles.
When we solve them, it looks like we are so much genius.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the final answer. First number 17, second number 18, third number 19. And to check out, you can add them. You will get 54.
54.
Okay, 54 is the answer.
Mister, you will take now a break, right?
After 7 minutes, inshallah. After I will take a break of like 15 minutes at least. Salah break. Okay, everyone written?
Yes.
If
Yes.
anyone has confusion in this type of question, please ask me instantly now. Because today I am on a 2x speed, I cannot wait too long, okay? Because there are so many questions, so please. Clear? Should I move on?
Yeah, yeah, Mr.
Okay. Write the formula for the perimeter P of this. Okay, so previously we had area A. Now we have perimeter P for this rectangle. If the perimeter is 36, find its length.
No, 36 مستر.
Uh-huh,
36.
uh-huh,
Yeah.
The class is recording. Everyone go to YouTube and I upload this lecture and comment me. Did I say 36 or I said 63? Please, I want support. Okay. Now you have 5 here. You have 2x plus 7 here. Okay. Now pay attention. It is not area. Okay. So don't tell me it is 5 times 2x plus 7. Okay. This is perimeter. Perimeter means what? This
Add all
side
of the
plus this
sides.
side plus this side plus this side. You
Add.
add all of them.
5 plus 5 plus 2x plus 7 plus 2x plus 7.
So perimeter. What will be the expression here? Tell me.
Add all sides.
Okay, that's the
No.
procedure.
Length.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the procedure. What will be the
expression.
formula? What will be
P
the equation?
equals
Yes,
P
capital
equals-
P equals.
P equals
equal
5 plus
5
5
plus 5 plus
plus
2x
2x
plus
plus
7
7 plus 2x
plus
plus 7.
2x plus 7.
And if you simplify it, what do you get?
10
10
plus
10 plus 4
4x
plus
plus
17.
14.
La,
What? 14?
All these 4 are like. Why not add them all together?
Oh,
Yes.
14 and then
It will be
24 24
No,
plus
no.
2x.
24
No,
plus 4.
24 plus 1x. 24 plus 4x.
Adnan is correct. Adnan is correct. Everyone, please be silent. Adnan, give me your answer. You are correct.
24 plus 4x.
Very good. Very, very good.
Yeah.
You know why? You know why? Because 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 will give you 24.
Yeah.
And 2x
Like
plus
10.
2x will
2x
give you
and
4x. Okay.
Yeah,
So
like
this is
10.
our final formula. This is the final equation, final formula for this question. But this question has 2 parts. Do you know? What about 36? What is the use of 36? Sita talatin. What is the use of this?
36.
In this, huh? This,
Change
yes,
36 equals
because perimeter is 36. So this guy will go to the bench. Okay. And jersey number 36 will come. Let's try to make a good jersey.
Oh, we have to make substitution instead.
Yes, we are making substitution. Yes. So Sita talatin will come and take the position of P.
Okay, so
Okay.
36.
Yeah. It will be equal
So
24
20,
plus
24 plus 4. And
4
now
plus
solve
4x.
value of x and give me the answer. I'm giving you just a minute.
I finished.
So I got the
Mr.
answer.
I was muted.
Wow,
I have the
wow,
answer.
wow.
Mr.
You even
Mr. I
Mr. I
What is
was
the
finished.
mute
answer?
والله.
X equals 6.
Huh?
X equals 6, Mr.
Mr. I
X
finished.
equals 3, 3.
Adnan, what is
X
your
equal
answer?
3.
Three.
3.
Yeah, 3.
Three.
Yes.
Mr. I said it before.
Yes.
On mute.
How many answers are 3 today? How many answers are 3?
And Mr. You notice like
Mr.
a lot of
Riyadh
answers
say
are 3 and 9.
Riyadh say 86?
Yeah, how?
6.
6 Mr.
I don't know.
36.
Riyadh is solving which subject? I don't know. We are solving maths. Yeah, Riyadh. Please come back.
Mr. One time we had a student in our class. We were having a math test. There was a question like a formula like this.
Oh.
He answered the answer al-khabar.
Now in this question, there is a problem. Not a problem. Yani if you bring 36 to this side, 4x to this side, if you follow my advice, this question will become not very good. Yani if you follow this advice. So in this question, it is better keep the constant on the left side and variable on the right side. Are you getting my
I did
point?
the same. Yes,
Yeah.
I
Are
did
you
the
getting
same.
my point? Yes. Now
Yes.
in this question,
Yes.
put the variable here, put the constant here. Means what? Bring 24
30.
here.
36 minus 24 equal to
Yes.
24
12 and
plus
12 equal
24
4x.
minus 20.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
See,
Equal
now in
4x.
here we are using this technique. So 12
Yeah.
will be 4x.
12
Very
equal
good.
4x.
Divide 4
Then
divide
12
X will be
12 divide
12 by
4.
4. So X will be 3.
Mr.
3.
Mr. I do
Yes.
Mr. I do 24 divided by 4. Because that I get 6.
24 divided by 4. No, we have to subtract first. Okay. We have to subtract first and then divide by 4. So
Mister,
you
we
will
can
get
also make in the way of Riyadh like 24 plus 4x like 24 divide 4 equals 6 divide 2 equal x equal 3.
Okay. Okay, everyone written down?
Yes.
Oh, next question is the substitution. Jersey number 2. Who is jersey number 2? Anyone? Any
Carvajal.
famous guy?
Carvajal.
Oh.
Or
Jersey number 2?
or Ashraf Hakimi, Mister. Hakimi.
Okay, Ashraf Hakimi.
And Muslim.
Ashraf Hakimi became so famous with the photo of his mother.
Yeah.
Yes.
Everywhere,
The World
yes,
Cup.
it was in the World
After-
Cup. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. He
After
brought
the World
his mother.
Cup, he went with Mbappe to New York.
Yeah.
He went to where? New York.
New York
With Mbappe.
with Mbappe.
Oh,
Because
wow.
they are best
They was
friends.
wearing masks.
Yeah, they were best friends.
Really? They play
Yeah.
the same team or what?
خايفين من
Yeah, in
Messi.
PSG.
PSG.
Mr. They are scary from Messi because
Oh.
he take the World Cup.
Khalas, ya ammi, please. Now you are starting the fight. Now people will start leaving my group. Please. Please, Sita Talatin, please. Leave me alone. Okay. Now capital T is 1/2. Wow, this question is so kabir.
N
N
cube.
plus 1. Okay, now N will go. And who will take the place of N?
2.
2. That means 2 will come here
8.
and 2 will come here. Now solve and tell me the answer. If N is gone, 2 is coming. What will be the answer?
Now, Mr.
Very
1 over
simple
2.
question.
Mr. 1 over 2 would be multiply 2 over 2 power 3.
Yes, very good. Yeah, no, and you can simplify because this guy is over 1. So you can simplify these guys. Okay?
It will be Mr. 4 bracket. No.
Yeah, 4
4
multiply 2
4.
equal 8 and
4 multiplied.
So what is the final
4
answer of
multiplied
T?
2 plus 1. 9. No.
24. No, T equal 24, Mister.
6.
لا
Mister, I forgot
4
the cube
multiplied
of
to
2.
8.
Mr.
Oh,
Is
Mr.
it
Mr.
9? Is it
شو
9?
اسمه 12 12
Is it
12
9?
12.
12 again, Yusuf Firas.
Yes, Mr. Do you know why? I didn't. I didn't. I made Mr. 8 multiply 2, not 8 multiply half.
Mr. I meant 4 multiply 1 equals 1. لا إله إلا الله.
Yusuf Firas got plus 200 XP now after solving this question.
Mr.
His bar was like this.
Yeah,
Now
Mr.
next level. He's going to the next level.
Level 2.
Mr. What's
Mr.
his
I
skin
multiply
then?
2 by 1
For
equal
for
to
for Riyadh, it is minus 5 XP. It's going on the left side.
Mister, you released
Yes,
a new skin for him.
yes. New skill activated. New achievement unlocked.
Mr.
Yeah.
I got the answer of Yusuf, but multiplied by 2 because I multiplied 8 multiplied by 2, not by
multiplied
half.
by 2.
Now let me solve it quickly and then we will go for a break. Okay. Now the question was originally 1 over 2 n cube. Now n cube has to be made 2 cube.
2 cube.
Yes, Adnan? Badar?
Yes.
Yes, 2 cube because n
Yes.
is 2. We have to substitute it. Okay. And again 2 plus 1. Now 1 over 2. What is the value of 2 cube?
8.
8,
Yes, 8. And what is 2 plus 1?
3.
3.
3. So when you solve this thing, what will you get?
12. 8 multiply 3 equal
But
24.
Mr.
Multiply half equal 12.
12.
I do another property. I do
What?
multiply by 2, then multiply by 1. Not add them to become
You are
3.
doing like this, but this
Yeah.
will, yani, this will, it's not required. It's not wrong, but it's not required. Why? Because everything is number. When everything is number, just add them inside and then multiply directly. But when you have a variable here and number here, then I go for distributive property as I did here. Sorry, as I did here in this question. But since you have all the numbers here, so please make your work faster. 2 plus 1 is what? 3.
2.
Cube is what? 8. But even if I try your technique, still I will get the same answer. How?
Yeah.
Look, let's do it another way. 1 upon 2 times 8, 2 plus 1. Yes, Riyad, you got
Yeah.
till now this. Now, can you simplify this?
Yes, 4.
Now, 4 times 2 plus 4
8.
times 1. What do you get?
4
What do you
times
get?
2 equals 8. And 4
Hmm?
times 1 equals 4.
Oh, okay. So even with that technique, you will get the same
Same
what? Ijaba.
answer. Yes.
Yes. Ahmad
Yes,
Fuad?
okay.
Nafsi Ijaba.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes. He's on 0.5x speed now today, Ahmad Fuad. I don't know what happened. Bye bye. 15 minutes break and I'll be back, inshallah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.
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 Yeah, I'm stuck.
Okay. I'm back. What about others?
Hello, mister.
Hello, Mr.
Yeah.
Meow.
Mr. Yesterday there was a match, very nice, between Manchester
No.
United and Barcelona.
Not so. It
Oh,
was so bad.
wow. Big match.
Who win?
United won.
United.
Barcelona.
I hate Varane.
Everyone is there. Ahmed
Yeah.
Fuad is back. Yusuf is back.
Yes, I'm back.
Okay,
Yusuf
Yusuf
never did.
Yes,
and
mister.
Badr.
I'm here, mister.
Okay, everyone is here, right? Okay, let's
Yes.
resume. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now in this question, a formula is given. An equation is already given to you. S is equal to something, something, something. Now there are two substitutes ready this time. Okay. This time there are two substitutes ready. One is S and one is B. Okay.
But this time we should get like a variable, not the answer.
What?
And in this question, we should get the like n, not the answer of the
Yeah.
whole.
Yeah.
We have to find N. We have
Yeah.
to substitute every other thing. So let's bring on. Okay, so S is supposed to take this place
One.
and B is supposed to take this place. So I will write the original formula first. Capital S is equal to 2 capital B square plus 3n
Minus
minus 38. This is the formula. Okay, you can call it formula, you can call it equation. Now, what is the first substitution?
To be no S equal 1.
S will be 1.
S will be 1. So I will remove S and I
And
will
put
write 1 instead. Okay. What is the second substitution?
2.
B will be negative 3.
B will be minus 3. So 2 multiplied by minus 3 square and everything will remain as it is.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now let's try to solve some things. 1 is equal to, can we solve this?
Yeah. We
5.
Yeah, mister.
No.
5? What?
2
No.
multiply negative 9.
2
I
multiply
didn't see
negative
the power.
no.
I didn't see
2
the
multiply
power.
negative 9.
In BODMAS, the second thing is exponent or order. This is exponent and you have to solve the powers first.
Yeah, power.
Yeah, 2 multiply 9.
Yeah, 2 multiply
Yes,
9, mister.
because
18.
minus 3 square
Yeah,
is
minus 3
9.
minus 3 will be cancelled.
9.
Minus.
So 9 times 2 is 18. So
Yes.
it will be
Minus 18.
1
1
equal
is equal
18
to 18
18
plus 3n
plus
plus
3
minus
3 minus
30
38.
Mi-
It will be, mister.
minus 38. Are there any
yeah.
like terms?
Yeah,
Yeah.
18 and
38
38.
and
18
18.
and 30.
Okay. Okay, very
It will
good.
be
So tell
minus.
me, what will I write here? What will I write here?
1 equal
1
1
equal
1
to
equal
1
minus
equals
20
to
minus
18
20
minus 38.
minus 20 plus 3n.
Very good. Now from here, how do we solve it?
1 equal minus 20 plus 20 plus 3n.
So
No,
what we will
we
do?
will make 1 plus 20
No.
equals
Yes.
3n.
1
Very
plus
good.
20
Very
equals
good.
plus 20 plus 20.
Adnan,
21 equals.
yes.
I forgot.
Let's bring minus 20 to left side. It will become 1 plus
21
20 is equal to 3n,
equals.
which we, yes, 21. Yani 21 is
21
3n
equal
and
3
n is
n equals 7.
7.
7.
So n equals
Yes.
7.
Very good. Note it down quickly.
Mister, I don't know why it feels like all the question feels easier with you, and with
Yeah,
Mister
no,
in
no, no,
our
no.
school, it's
When
so
the
hard.
teacher solves, it looks easier. But if I give you the same question now, you will do like this.
Maybe.
This is the thing. Even with me, when I'm in my class, when I'm the student, when the teacher is explaining, oh, so easy. And when I come back home, mine stops working.
No,
Mister,
this
it's like
But Mister,
SpongeBob, Mr. Patrick try to make burger and then it says, why does mine look like it?
What did just happen?
This guy's drinking something, Mister.
Done. Next.
Mister,
Oh, angles.
easy.
Is everyone writing?
Yes.
yeah.
N equals 7. Finish.
Okay. Okay, next. Angles. Calculate the size of the angles. Not the
B equal
size.
80.
It should be
B equal 80.
calculate the lettered angles. This should have been the question, not the size of angles. Or calculate the size of the lettered angles. Lettered. Okay.
Mr. B
Yani
equal 80.
you have to find C and B. Now, which angle we can find first?
B.
B.
Yeah.
What will
Equal
be
80.
B? 80. By which property? Which property is this?
Opposite angles or
Yeah,
Ah,
opposite angles.
is not a
no,
property.
no, 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 no. Uh,
This angle
I
and this
forget.
angle have which property?
I forget.
I forget the name.
What is the full form of
Vertically
this?
opposite side.
Vertical
Vertically
opposite
Vertical
angles.
opposite
Vertically
angles.
opposite angles.
Ah,
Vertically opposite angles.
Vertically opposite angle.
Varan.
Vertical.
Vertical. Okay. I thought Varan.
Varan is a player.
Vertical. So angle B, in the exam, you have to write angle B is equal to 80 and you have to write the reason. Very, very important. Okay. This is very important. The student do not write the reason. So please make it a habit. You have to write the reason. What is the reason? Vertically
Opposite angle.
opposite angles. Okay. This is how you write angle. This is symbol for angle in mathematics. And you want to write angles, just put a small s. So this is angles. Okay. This is
And
the
opposite
shortcut to
only
write angle.
OPP.
OPP is sufficient. No need to write OPIS. Just OPP is sufficient. Okay. Okay. So B is 80. I will write it down 80. Now, how can we find C?
A straight line, so we will make it by 8.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Just focus
80.
on this.
Yeah.
Focus on this area. Focus on this area. So
80
this
minus 180.
this angle plus this angle plus this angle are giving me how many degrees?
180.
180.
180. Yes, because they are a straight line. Very good. So what will be the equation? How will I solve it?
B plus C plus 34 equal 180.
B plus C
Or
plus
Mr.
34 is 180. Very good. And the reason is
Mr. I can
straight
write
line.
because Mr.
Straight
because I found B, I can write 34 plus 80.
Yes. That's what I'm going to do now. 80. I will write instead of B, I will write 80
Yeah.
plus
80
C
plus C plus
plus
34.
34 is 180. Now you can tell me the answer.
34
Add
plus
them
80.
is
Add them and
114
minus
and
180.
114
yes,
Minus
66. Khalas,
114
66.
minus-
Adnan is also, mashallah, very fast today. Okay.
And
So
B
the
is
final
also-
answer will be 66. Okay. So B is 80 and C is Sitawa 16. Okay. This was only the first one. Now we have, I think, E. This is letter E.
Yeah, E.
Yeah, E.
So you have E here, but nothing is given here. But pay attention. This line means what? L. L means
Right
what?
angle. Right angle. or
Yes,
90.
this right angle, very good, 90 degree. So what will be the equation here? Tell me.
E plus 90 equal 180.
Or Mr. We can say,
Wow.
2A plus
Yeah,
90
so-
equals
Yes, you can say 2e plus 90 is 180. So what will be the answer?
180, yeah.
180 divide 4 equal 45.
No, they
180 divide 4
45.
or
Yeah.
90 divide by 2 or 90 divide by 2.
So E will equal 45.
2 equals, yeah, 45.
Mr. We can say also 180 divide 4 because 90 divide 2 equal 45 and 180 divide 2 equal 90. So 2 plus 2 equal 4. 180 divide 4 equal 45.
What?
خلاص.
The teacher will become confused like this.
I-
Forget the students, the teacher will become confused. Your maths is like PhD level maths. So please give me some simple stuff. Please. Yes, I have to do my studies also. Huh? Otherwise my brain will hang. It will start lagging. System error.
Error.
So, error, yes, error.
Error.
See, someone got alerted
Syntax error.
by my accent.
Mister, I think you have
Who is
accent.
washing utensils? You guys know how to wash utensils
What's your tent?
in the kitchen? What do you wash? The dishes.
غسالة.
That is called utensil in English.
Multitasking. Mister, multitasking.
Multitasking. Yeah. Enjoying Mr. Faiz optional class as well as washing the dishes, huh? In the kitchen. But you guys know how to wash the dishes? Who knows very well?
Me.
I know.
Everyone is saying me. I don't know if you have tried it or not. Just
Yeah,
saying me.
I help
I've
my
tried.
mother.
If you did it, very, very good.
With water.
This is
With
very
water only.
But
I know how to do it, Mister.
like now in the dishwasher, like all people washes the dishes in the
not all.
dishwasher.
I don't think so. Everyone uses dishwasher. I don't think so.
I use
Not
the
Many.
Most of these are the electric one. Like to put
Yeah,
the
the
whole,
dishwasher.
yeah. We use it.
You use it?
Yeah, me too.
Mister, I use the two.
Me too.
Okay.
Me too. Me too.
E3. Okay, this one is done.
Yeah.
Now
Mr.
things are
This
getting
question came
complicated.
in the
Mister,
last
I
test.
can answer A. A is 35 because of the
What is the
vertical opposite
before going back? What is the meaning of these two arrow and these two
Parallel.
arrows?
Parallel lines.
Parallel lines.
Yes.
Parallel
What is the
lines.
yes parallel lines? What is the meaning of
Because
this
Mr.
single line and this single line?
Equal lines.
Equal.
If you look
No.
closely,
Again
this is-
parallel. Again parallel.
Pal.
Mr.
Yani
If you look
this-
closely
I
on
will-
this shape, this is a parallelogram.
Yes, you are correct. But this red line is parallel to
Yeah.
this red line,
Can say
and
so.
this blue line, okay, is parallel to this blue line. And in the middle, you can see a parallelogram is formed. Even if you don't know the properties of parallelogram, no problem. We can solve. Now I will
Mister, I
recall
can solve
some
it.
things. I will tell you this angle and this angle. Which property do they have?
Vertical. لا. Vertical opposite
No,
sides.
no,
Vertical.
not at all.
Something upper.
Opposite side. لا ما دخل.
Upper side. What?
Corresponding, Mr.
Corresponding.
Corresponding.
Yes, these angles are
Corresponding.
corresponding. What about this angle and this angle?
Alternate.
Yes.
Alternate in FIFA.
Alternate commands and classic, huh? I play with the classic commands. Okay. Angle A. Now let's find angle A. Which angle is angle
It's
A?
35 because of the vertical opposite.
Vertically opposite.
Wow, very good answer. Angle A is 35 because of vertically opposite angle. Very
Mr.
good.
And B and C, they are equal because B and C.
No, B and C are equal, okay, but you don't know the C now. So you cannot tell me the measure of B.
Yeah.
Now tell me something else. How can we find the measure of angle B? By what?
By parallelogram. By parallel lines.
No, you can find B
35.
by this property.
Z.
Which property is
Oh,
this?
Z.
Oh,
I told
you,
Zinedine
Al-
Zidane. Huh? Zinedine Zidane. So B will be 35 because of which property?
alternate angles.
Alternate.
Yes, alternate angles. Please
And
write it down.
Mr. See Mr.
correspond.
Vertical opposite angles.
So
Yeah.
what? No.
Corresponding.
No.
Corresponding.
No, Mr.
C
because,
will be very good.
It's,
Yes, C will be 35 because this angle and this angle are which property?
Yeah. Corresponding.
Corresponding to B.
Corresponding.
Okay, so it will be corresponding
Mr. I
Mr.
forgot what
that
was
is-
corresponding.
to
B.
angle B. Okay, and the
Mr.
above one alternate angle to what? Alternate
S.
angle to B.
35.
To B. No, this one. Write it down. This one. Okay.
How to be, Mister?
It's
But
2A,
Mr.
Mister.
Oh.
To
Sorry.
A.
No.
Mr. C, it makes
235.
To
confusion.
35. To 35.
So I will just leave it as it is. This is the answer. That's all.
Mr. I'm confused from this. Like how we will know if there was the angle S or there was
Tell
not
me.
angle S. Like see here in angle B is 35 because alternate angles. Like here the same also in angle C is 35 because corresponding to angle B. Like they are the same shape but different letter. How I will know if this is a letter or this is like the shortcut?
What do you mean letter or shortcut?
Like here see in the second one angle B is 35. The angles you made a shape and S, but in the third one you made the shape of angle but B. In the second one you meant with this shape
S.
like
This S is not name
yeah,
of
I know.
a letter. It is angles. If you don't want, just erase it. Now
Okay.
tell me, what's your question?
That's we can write angles by the
S
word
does
and we
not S does not have a meaning. Angle. This is angle. This is angles. What do you mean? Is S part of a question? No.
but
This is part of English. Part of English. You don't want to write angles? Just write angle. Just write this. Just like this.
okay. But and also, Mr. I forget what was corresponding.
In this question, what I am telling you, look.
Oh, the corresponding.
Corresponding are the stairs, like the stairs, you know.
Oh, yes.
If you want to go up the ladder, you will
Yeah.
put your feet here, right feet here, then right feet here, something like this. Yani
Right.
this angle is corresponding to this angle, is corresponding to this angle, corresponding
Yes.
to this angle. Other opposite side, this angle can be corresponding to this can be corresponding like this.
Alternate.
Okay.
So this will be corresponding to this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now find the size of the marked angle, but the quality is not very good. This is 5J or 5 what? 5J.
5J.
5J, Mr.
Round
3J and J.
3J
Like all of them are
and,
J.
and
5G.
J.
J.
Okay, so we have to find the
J.
value of J. Now, what technique we can use here?
We can say,
The
Mr.
straight. Who?
No,
In a
we
triangle,
can
if
say
you add all the three angles, what are we supposed to get?
180.
180.
180.
Very good. So what will be the equation? Tell me.
And
5J plus 3J plus
5G,
equal 180.
5J plus 3J plus J
Yes.
equals 180. Or 9J equals 180.
180 equal 9J.
Amazing. 5J plus 3J plus J should be equal to 180. And the reason is sum of angles in a
In a triangle,
triangle is 180.
180.
180.
Write this reason. This is very, very important. So 9J is 180. So J will be
20.
180 divided by 9.
180.
20.
20.
Wait, someone is calling.
خلاص
مين هذا؟
بدأ
بدأ.
شو هذا?
هذه
So what will be here? What is this 3y or what?
It's angle and right angle and right angle, Mister. That's
This is the right angle I can make out, but what about this one? This is also right angle?
Yeah.
This one?
Mr. How
Okay, and
20?
what?
It's a trapezoid, right, Mister?
How 29 times 2 is 18 and 0.
Yeah, but like 5 plus 3, 8 plus 20, 28.
Mister. It's 3y and 2y.
Wait, which question are you talking?
eight not
Hey.
A. Okay. 5 plus 3, how much?
okay
8,
8 plus 1.
9
9.
9j is 180.
Yeah.
So 9 will come down here.
But Mister, why you consider j is 1? Maybe it's another number.
Because when no coefficient is given, you consider it 1. When nothing is given here, it means 1. I told you so many times. Like x. X plus x will give you what?
1 2
It's like single variable.
Give me the answer. X plus x is how much?
2x.
2x. Why not 7x? Because this is 1, this is 1.
Yeah, because there is
Okay.
no number beside it.
No number beside it. So when there is no number before it, it is considered always 1 in algebra. I smile, clear? Or you
Yes,
have
yes.
some other confusion?
No, not clear.
Okay. Now, which angle is this? I cannot make it out. What is this? It's not clear. 3y?
3y and 2y. Yeah,
3y and
3y. And the down 2y.
2y.
And the
Okay.
both up are
Now,
9.
in this type of shape, when you have 4 angles, this is quadrilateral, right?
360.
Yeah.
Yes. If you add all the angles,
360.
what are we supposed to get? 360.
360
Yeah, 360. So what will be the equation here?
3y plus 2y
plus
90 plus 90
3y plus 2y plus 90 plus 90
plus 90 equal 360.
equal 360.
And what will be the reason? I will write in the bracket.
The sum of angles in a quadrilateral equal
Yes.
360.
Yes, very
Quadrilateral.
good. Very good. Sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360.
Mr.
Quadrilateral,
360.
the spelling is this.
Mr.
Quadrilateral.
Yeah, QUADI.
I'm telling. Quadrilateral. You want to know the meaning of this word?
No,
No.
the name of this shape.
The meaning of a closed
name.
shape that is formed by 4 straight lines. Like it can be a square, it can be this shape, it can be kite shape. Okay, all are quadrilateral. So if you add all the 4 angles, you will always get 360 inside.
360. But Mister,
Okay.
what is the type of this question? Is it a trapezoid or what in this question?
It's not our concern. This is trapezium actually, but this is not our concern. This is a trapezoid actually. Okay, now how do we solve it?
5y plus
5y
180 equals
Yes.
360.
80.
5y plus 180 will give me 360. Very good.
Then 360 minus 180.
This guy will go to the left side.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, 5y plus 180 minus 180 equal 360 minus 180 equal 5y equal 180. 180 divide 5 equal
5y is 180. 180 divided by 5 will give you what?
36. Y equal 36.
Yes,
36.
yes. Finally. أخيراً. So y will be
36.
36. 36. You have to watch the video and comment at what moment some guys were trying to accuse me. Okay.
Just
Please.
now here the question is correct.
So I think we will do this question and then we will finish the
Calculate the
class.
size of each lettered angle.
Mr. And question 25 is the middle point. See?
Oh,
Mister.
I asked these type of questions in the group before.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very easy. You just add the x and x and then make half, and then you add y and y, make half. Yani what?
Then add
1 plus 3 over 2 and
1 plus 3 over 2.
1 plus 5
And
over 2.
1 plus 4, yeah.
So what will be the final answer? It will be 2, 3.
3.
Very good. You understand how?
Yeah.
Yes.
Same
But
next.
Mr.
You
about
can you
zero,
can do
how
this
we
one.
can
You can
use
do this
zero?
one. Wait.
How we can
Now
use
I
zero,
will.
Mr. Use
Hmm?
zero. How we can use in the middle point?
1 plus 5 over 2.
And zero.
Yes.
Equal
1 and
Yeah.
5 and minus 2 and 0. So it will be minus 2 plus 0 over 2. So minus 2 will remain minus 2. What is the half of minus 2?
-1.
Minus 1. What is the half of here? This.
3.
Three.
Okay. So
3,
3
-1.
comma.
-1.
That's all. That's all. Not a big deal.
And then in
Okay.
the next,
Just we will do the last one here and then I think we will finish. Tell me here. What will come here?
-8.
Okay.
-8 over
Minus-
2.
No, 8
No.
only.
Tell me
Uh,
the steps. Tell me the steps. Tell me the steps.
Oh,
Mr. Can I do it,
minus
Mr.?
3 plus minus
Minus
5.
Ahmad Fuad is saying something.
You want to do it?
Mr. I barely have answered any questions, Mr.
Okay, Mister, please. Now it's your opportunity, Mister, to answer the question, Mister. Tell me, Mister. -3.
-3 plus -5 equals -8. So -8 over 2.
And the next one.
Minus 8.
And 2 plus
how
1
minus
over 2, which is 3
How
over
it's minus 8?
Okay, let me explain. -3 plus -5 over 2. This is the actual thing, right? But if you merge these two guys, what will you get?
Will be negative.
Oh, you will get direct minus.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it will be -8 because of the bigger number. Bigger number sign.
It will be -8. Yes. So Ahmad Fuad, continue.
Okay, and then 2 plus 1 equals 3 and 3 over 2.
No, tell me the first one.
The first one is -8 over 2. So it's going to be -4.
Okay. And next.
And
1.5.
3 over 2. 3 over 2.
1.5.
1.5.
You can write 3 over 2. You can write 1 over 1.5. Both are acceptable. Okay.
Yes.
No problem.
Yes.
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 Mr.
You are waiting. You are waiting for this, huh? Whole
Yes,
period. You are waiting.
Question 24, Mr. See the question, like how it's written.
Yeah. I said for him.
Calculate the size of each lettered angle.
Yeah, it's like the last question, but they add the word lettered.
Mr. Question 24 and 26 are the same. No, different shape.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, so many shapes. So I think we can finish for today because we have so big worksheet, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
20 pages.
Yes, 20 pages, and today's session was very good. I think very helpful.
Yeah.
I'll upload this video, inshallah, and we will see next time tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, tomorrow physics or again maths?
Physics, Mr.
Physics.
Physics. When is the maths exam?
Physics because Sunday.
On
Sunday
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wait. So Saturday, tomorrow, Sunday is your exam, and Wednesday, and 1 March.
Yeah.
The last exam, Mr.
Okay. So
Mr. If you was free
Okay.
on Tuesday, we can take.
I will not be free, but in my evening time, I can, if I have time, like 8 o'clock here. Like for you guys, it will be like 5:30 or 6.
Yeah.
If I have time, maybe I will make 1 hour class. Maybe. I cannot assure. Okay.
ساعة واحدة.
فقط لا غير. Okay, so I'll end the call now.
ليش ما
Assalamu
في
alaikum
اثنين؟
warahmatullah.
ليه ما في اثنين؟ ليش ما في
Bye,
اثنين؟
Mr.